Welcome to our course on social media marketing. This is Chapter 1, Part B. So let's begin. In today's digital environment, social media is a crucial tool for businesses. For firms engaged in social media marketing, social media is crucial for a number of reasons. 1. Reach. Social media enables businesses to rapidly and easily reach a big audience. This may aid in raising brand recognition and boosting online traffic for the company. 2. Engagement. Social media platforms let companies communicate in real time with their audience. Customers' relationships and loyalty may improve as a result of this. 3. Targeting. Social media platforms give businesses sophisticated targeting tools that let them reach particular audiences based on things like location, demographics, and interests. 4. Return on investment. Social media can be a cheap way to connect with clients and generate prospects. Businesses can achieve a high return on investment from their social media marketing efforts with the correct plan. 5. Analytics. Social media platforms offer thorough analytics that let companies monitor the effectiveness of their advertising campaigns and gauge the results of their social media marketing initiatives. 6. Competitive edge. Businesses can get an advantage over rivals by using social media to engage with customers, increase brand recognition, and boost sales. 7. Consumer insights. Social media may provide companies with useful information about their target market's interests, preferences, and behavior. The customer experience can be enhanced overall in social media marketing. Can be made more successful with the help of this information. In general, social media offers a multitude of chances for businesses to engage with clients, raise their profile, and increase revenue. Businesses can get a competitive edge and accomplish their marketing objectives by developing a strong social media presence and putting into practice efficient social media marketing techniques.